Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm walking you through how to record your games in OBS Studio with top-notch quality. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have everything set up to capture smooth, crisp gameplay footage. Perfect whether you're sharing highlights, making Let's Plays, or building your own YouTube channel. We're going to cover all the details so you know not just what settings to adjust, but why. Each one matters for a professional result. Let's dive right in. First up, we need to lock in your video settings. Head over to Settings and then Video. Now, for your base canvas resolution, set this to 1920 by 1080 pixels. This basically tells OBS how large the drawing area is, the foundation for your recordings. If your monitor has a higher native resolution, you can match that, but 1920 x 1080 is the gold standard for clear HD footage with broad compatibility. Next, set Output Scaled. Resolution to the same number, so OBS doesn't have to resize anything, keeping your recordings the sharpest possible. Then, under Common FPS values, choose 60 frames per second. This is key for smooth, buttery gameplay capture, especially for fast-paced games. Give yourself a moment here to double-check, and remember, higher FPS means more data, but it looks so much better for action. Now, click Apply, then OK to lock those in. Let's move on to Output Settings. This is where we decide how OBS actually writes your footage to disk. In Settings, go to Output and flip the Output mode to Advanced. This unlocks a bunch more control. Switch to the Recording tab because we want tweaks only for captured video, not live streams. Pick a recording path, a folder on your drive where all your gameplay clips will land. Choose a file format like MKV or fragmented MP4. MKV is great because it's resilient. If something crashes mid-recording, you don't lose everything. For your video encoder, go with a hardware encoder like NVIDIA NVENT H264 if your graphics card supports it. It's designed to handle video fast without taxing your CPU. If you don't see that option, select X264, which uses your computer's processor. A little more demanding, but it gets the job done. Now, within the encoder settings for NVENC or rate control for X264, pick a preset like quality or max quality. This tells OBS to prioritize image sharpness over compression, so your gameplay looks clean, with less blurring or artifacting, even in energetic titles like shooters or racing games. For audio, set bitrate to the highest available, usually 320 kbps. This ensures your voice and game sound both come through clear and punchy. Nobody wants muffled commentary or fuzzy in-game effects. Hit Apply and OK. Don't worry if OBS takes a second to update your selections. Audio matters just as much as video, so let's tweak a few things under Settings, Audio. For mic auxiliary audio, select your preferred microphone so any commentary is recorded. Make sure desktop audio is set to your main system device. This captures all your game sounds, music, and effects. In the audio mixer, adjust the sliders so your mic isn't drowning out the game, and vice versa. Do a quick test. Chat into your mic, play a sound from your game, and see how the levels stack up. You want both audible, but not competing. If one's too quiet or loud, just nudge those sliders until it feels balanced. Almost done. It's time to tell OBS which game to record. In the main OBS window, click the plus sign to add a source and select Game Capture. Point it to your games window. OBS is smart about grabbing just the gameplay and not the other stuff on your monitor. Right-click the source and pick Transform, Fit to Screen. If you notice any black bars or cropping, so your footage takes full advantage of your video settings. Once you're happy with the preview, hit Start Recording. Fire up your game and enjoy. When you've got the footage you want, simply click Stop Recording and your video will be saved right where you picked earlier. And that's how you record high-quality gameplay with OBS Studio. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please tap that like button. And if you have any questions or want to share your own setup tips, drop a comment below. I love hearing your feedback. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and happy recording.